Okay, ladies, this is our 10-2. We had to move classrooms because my light went out, but I'm sure you'll figure out this morning. But I want to get these recorded because I have to get ready for AC Merit this week. Okay, so we're figuring out monthly payment in this one. So we have two different ways that we're working through this. There's a schedule that's in your handout. I did give you a new printout of the board, so you just have this one. Looking at this first example, we're taking the amount of the mortgage divided by 1,000. We're looking at the figure 10.1, which is in your handout. What we're looking at 10.1 is we're looking at the interest amount, and we're looking at the term, how many months. We're seeing where those merge together, and we're using that number. So in this case, it's 30 years, it's 9%. So on that table, it's $8.05. So we're going to take the $280,000 divided by 1,000, multiply by 8.05, and the amount of the monthly payment is $2,254. Okay? So once we figure out the monthly payment, we need to figure out what the total amount paid is. So that's the $2,254. There's 12 months in a year. It's a 30-year loan. So we're going to multiply all three of these, and we're going to get $811,400. Okay. Our very last step, we're going to take this same number and we're going to subtract by the original amount of their loan, $280,000. Once we subtract it, the amount is $5,440. That is the amount of interest that was paid on their loan. Now, I will tell you the way most loans work are this: when you have a graph, they go like this. Okay. And I think I covered this with you guys before. The orange being interest, and the red being principal. So if you'll notice, the interest is all front-loaded in the loan. So as you get further along in a loan, you're paying more and more towards the principal. So to start, the banks are really making their money pretty much up front.